Right, so we've got the Eurosonic PT40 here. I've never seen the Eurosonic PT40 before, and then I had the disappointment, if you looked at the previous video, to find that some wally put an illegal 80s channel modification, which needs to go in our vertical filing cabinet down there. So I had to waste time making it back into how it should be. I don't know what that was all about. You were supposed to have two sets at the time, one for you, your own, one for 2781, and all that ends up is you end up with some really nice sets, not these, but some really nice sets which work really badly on both bands and illegally.
It's extremely foggy as well.
So Mr. Chippie is talking to me. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Are you at the top of the lane yet?
Yeah, getting that way. You're a bit quiet.
Oh, it's the PT40 again, isn't it? So the deviation's right, but the mic gain is crap.
Yeah, roger that. I think I'm going to the end of the lane, but the fog's so thick, I'm not quite sure.
Well, I'd make sure you've got the sat-nav screen switched on so you can actually see the roads.
Yeah, that's a roger.
So I'm on a PT40, it's a Eurosonic PT40, and it is full 4 watts output.
Roger that. Now at the end of the lane, turning onto the main road.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, I'm now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
That's very loud and very clear at Ancaster Crossroads. So this radio, if you remember, if you looked at the servicing video, the squelch was a bit too strong on the minimum, which is where we are, and it was too strong on the maximum as well. So again, we had this problem with the PT40 we last did, which was last Sunday, with the rather poor squelch, but it did manage on this test.
Right, now passing the top of the hills, we'll go down into Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill, and I'm hoping the squelch holds out for this because it's one of these insensitive ones again. I'll just make sure I'm on threshold.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, turn round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford over.
Roger, that's fine going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you quite nicely at the Kelby turn. Well, I'm receiving you remarkably well at the Greyleys turn. Roger got you going over Rawspeat level crossing, and no doubt you're going shopping. You're probably going past the petrol station. Right, well, 10-10, thank you for the test. That's the trouble, as he goes over the level crossing, there's a petrol station on the left, and it causes a lot of interference from the computers in use there. Well, to be honest, you couldn't moan, could you, about that, so it's well worth repairing that. So it goes on to live another day. So that's a Eurosonic PT40. Let's go and see how horrible it sounds on our base station.
Tango 21 testing the Eurosonic PT40 from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.